Hi all, welcome to the channel Cloud Knowledge. Today in this video, we'll have a walkthrough of Microsoft Fabric. First of all, let's see what Microsoft Fabric is. It is all-in-one analytics solution for enterprises that covers everything that is from data movement to data science, real-time analytics, and business intelligence. It offers a comprehensive suite of services including data lake, data engineering, data integration all in one place. So we need not go to different vendors or create different services. It is one-stop solution for analytics, all in one analytics solution. With Fabric, you don't need to piece together different services from multiple vendors. Instead, you can enjoy a highly integrated end-to-end, easy-to-use product that is designed to simplify your analytics needs. The platform is built on a foundation of SaaS, software as a service, which takes simplicity and integration to a whole new level. It's still in preview. If we take the date on which this video is prepared, Microsoft Fabric is just 1 month old. It's been just a month or so that Microsoft Fabric is launched, and it is continuously evolving. That's why here we can see Microsoft Fabric is in preview. It's a SaaS foundation. It has different components. All these components we are going to see in the Fabric service. The different components, if we go down, are data engineering, factory, science, warehouse, real-time analytics, Power BI. So basically, if you have Power BI account, then you can easily access Microsoft Fabric related components. So let's quickly go to the page here. So this is the page of the Microsoft Fabric, where on the left side, the different options are present. Browse, OneLake Data Hub, Monitoring Hub, Workspaces, My Workspace. And here at the left bottom, we have the different options present. Here, the first option is Power BI, because this SaaS, Microsoft Fabric software as a service, is hosted on the Power BI using the same dashboard, the same Power BI login. We can access it. That's why it's hosted as SaaS over Power BI. Then second is Data Factory, Data Activator, Data Engineering, Data Science, Data Warehouse, Real-Time Analytics. As we have seen here in the official page or the documentation by Microsoft, here in the screenshot, we can see that it does not have Data Activator. And as I said, that this is a newly launched service by Microsoft, which is continuously evolving. So we could expect multiple changes here in the coming days. That's why here we couldn't see Data Activator. Let's go one by one and see the different components. So here we are in Data Factory Home, where we could see at the top the workspace name, that is My Workspace, and here the two components are present. First is Data Flow Gen 2. It is used to prepare, clean, and transform data. We can directly work on the data. If you are already aware of Azure Data Factory data flow activity, then this is the same, where we are going to work with the data. Second is the data pipeline. It is used to ingest data at scale and schedule data workflows. So the pipelines which we create in ADF, it's almost the same. These two are the components of the Data Factory in Fabric. Next, we'll open the Data Activator. In the Activator, we could see two components: Reflex Preview, Reflex Sample. It is used to monitor the datasets, queries, and event streams for patterns to trigger actions and alerts. And in the second option, it is there with the sample data to explore Data Activator. We'll not study in detail about these. We are just going to have a quick walkthrough. Now comes the Synapse section, where we have the first option as Data Engineering. So we'll click over it. In the Data Engineering, we could see that there are multiple subcomponents present. First is the Lake House. In Microsoft Fabric, we have the concept of Lake House. It is used to store big data for cleaning, querying, reporting, and sharing. Basically, it will store all sorts of data. Next is Notebook. Explore data and build machine learning solutions with Apache Spark applications. Next is Spark Job Definition. where we'll define, schedule, and manage your Apache Spark jobs for big data processing. Then data pipeline, same as the Data Factory component. Ingest data at scale and schedule data workflows. Import notebook, user sample. So here in the data engineering part of Fabric, we have the storage, that is the lake house, notebook, Spark job definition, data pipeline. It is comprised of all the different components which are required for data analytics. Now we'll go next to the data science part of it, which has subcomponents as model. Use machine learning models to predict outcomes and detect anomalies in data. Second is experiment, to create, run, and track development of multiple models for validating hypotheses. Notebook, explore data and build machine learning solutions with Apache Spark applications. Import notebook and use sample, same as data engineering. Here we have model and experiment as extra for data science. Third option is data warehouse, where we have the first option as warehouse, provide strategic insights from multiple sources into your entire business. Warehouse sample is present for us. Then data pipeline and data flow Gen 2. These two are required to make data movement to and fro into the warehouse. Next comes real-time analytics, which has the components KQL database, where we can rapidly load structured, unstructured, and streaming data for querying. Then KQL query set, run queries on your data to produce shareable tables and visuals. Kusto query language, if you're aware of, you can easily understand the real-time analytics part of Microsoft Fabric. Third option is event stream. It captures, transform, and route real-time event stream to various destinations in desired format with no code experience. So these three options are present here. If you're aware of the Kusto query language, which is used to query logs, etc., which are present in different forms, structured, unstructured, streaming. So this KQL database works same as that under the real-time analytics part of Microsoft Fabric. So in this video, we have quickly gone through the different components which are present in Microsoft Fabric as of today. We'll keep learning as this product evolves. We will also explore the different subcomponents present inside all these components of Fabric. Thank you for watching the video. Happy learning. Bye.